第52页，阅读测验，不只是艺术，折纸启发新科技。
High-tech uses for the ancient art of paper folding. Origami has provided inspiration for technology for use in space and deep in the ocean, but its influence does not stop there. Other ways origami has proven useful include helping to protect police officers from harm and assisting doctors in medical procedures. Origami design stops bullets. Using Kevlar, the material that bulletproof vests are made from, engineers at Brigham Young University created a shield that can protect up to 3 officers at the same time. Through the use of origami techniques, the shield can be quickly unfolded so that it stands up on its own. Members of a police squad can crouch behind it for protection. When tests on it were done, not even one of the most powerful handguns in the world, the .44 Magnum, could penetrate the shield or knock it over. Despite opening up to cover an area much larger than traditional shields, the special design is lighter and folds into a compact shape. Origami robot works inside the body. While some devices inspired by origami are huge, others are tiny. Researchers from the US, the UK, and Japan have designed a robot small enough to fit into a pill. After being swallowed, the robot unfolds and can be used to perform medical procedures with magnets. This can include removing objects, a small battery that a child has swallowed, for example. Or it may be able to help heal a wound inside the body. The high-tech uses of the traditional art of origami are truly incredible. They demonstrate how humans can borrow techniques from the past to make an impact on the modern world.